I said, from once you have my skin color, you are an African. But most people in the Caribbean, if you tell a Jamaican, you are an African. No, me not African, I'm a Jamaican. No, you were taken from Africa. You've been a Barbados. No, I'm not I'm a Bajan. Listen, you are an African. We were all taken and scattered all across the earth. Time for you to come home, man. Time for you to...
So, I think it's safe to say that there are a few Africans growing up who genuinely thought that Jamaica was in Africa. And I am guilty. I am one of those people who genuinely thought Jamaica was an African country. And I remember growing up, my dad used to play Bob Marley so much. And on top of that, the vinyl, we used to call it LPs, the cover was clearly a black African man. So it didn't make sense that if anyone had to tell me, no, this man is not in Africa or from Africa, you know, he's obviously African, but that Jamaica's not in Africa. It made no sense. But
Let me lighten the mood real quick. So it's a lot of people that grew up in Africa, right? That really thought Jamaica was in Africa. And it's all right. It's all right. I'm going to make your dream come true. Look, see? Look. Jamaica is really in Africa. You have Jamaica right here. You see the island of Jamaica? And this is the continent of Africa. Jamaica is in Africa. Now listen to nobody. We are one. Love. Big up to the people.
Growing up, I used to think that Jamaica was part of Africa. I'm a Nigerian myself, and I don't know why. I always just thought that Jamaica was somewhere in Africa. I don't know why.
It's no secret that many Africans, when they grow up, like you, like young age, even some like older people now, they may think Jamaica is in Africa. Especially those who, let's say, like who maybe like don't travel, those who know so maybe they think Jamaica is in Africa. Guys, this is a good example of this girl from South Africa, because the environment she grew up, the house she grew up was like a Jamaican, like Bob Marley music, like listening to Jamaican music, like Jamaican stuff, like seeing like all these like black like artists from Jamaica, like Fabs Cartel, Conscience and stuff, and other guys. Many Africans tend to think that Jamaica is in Africa until some of them they start traveling or they start to come to internet and like making research and they know Jamaica is in the Caribbean. But guys, the livelihood, the way they grew up, guys, that makes them like to know them like Jamaica is Africa. Last time, guys, there's a guy, guys, I met, guys, and he told me that he started laughing in Jamaica when he was in the primary school, like at a very young age. Because of what he grew up listening Jamaican music, grew up listening like Jamaican stuff. So for that laugh, for that listen, like watching Jamaican movies, like watching like Jamaican music, like listening to Jamaican stuff. And many people like they think Jamaica is in Africa. And actually, guys, many people also they want to be like Jamaicans. You see like the long hair, dress, long hair, the way they do things, trust man. Many people they want to copy like Jamaicans. If last time a girl told me Jamaica is the home because of what guys on the last thing that Jamaicans guys when it comes to the Caribbean islands, I think apart from Haiti, also loves Africans. Jamaicans actually guys they are more like connected to Africa. Jamaicans actually guys they're very nice people. They don't forget where they came from. They don't forget their roots. So that's why guys that's why guys Jamaicans actually guys they are like more like attached to Africa, like they like Africa. That's why you find that sometimes even like this guy but Shansia, she went to Kenya, also Conscience he went to Kenya. So like it's like connection between like Jamaica to like Africa. So Jamaicans like they come to Africa, they travel, they see so many things because they never forget where they come from. So that connection makes them like unique. And also on the other side, Africans they love Jamaica. They love Jamaica. Some of them love Jamaica. Although guys, my Balang guys is travel like I feel like my African countries Like go to Nigeria, go to Ghana. Because guys, there's rich history there. Because guys, that's where guys Jamaicans come from. Like Ghana, Nigeria, West Africa. That's rich one. You know, guys, there's love there. Yeah. People love actually guys Jamaica. They love Jamaica. They want to go to Jamaica. They want to join Jamaica. And many young people actually guys they want to copy Jamaica. Like the way they make hair, the way they sing music. Like it's like Jamaica. Yeah. So guys, you'll find that some people definitely have like that flag on the flag Jamaica. Like so much things, you know. Guys, people love Jamaica. There's a real love for Jamaica. And this is because guys, even those Africans who want to Jamaica, the hospitality they get, the treatment that they get in Jamaica, you know guys was like something amazing. Because Jamaicans they treat them like very well. Even last time this guy was there, like I Marwa, he was having a very good time. Even Wadama was there, he was having a very good time. Even this guy also, Tayo was there, he was having a very good time. Dee Mwango was in Jamaica for close to I think 6 months. She was traveling like across Jamaica. And she was having a very nice time. So guys, that connection makes guys so unique about Jamaicans. Because guys, and that's why guys, many people guys think Jamaica is in Africa. Because that connection, that brotherhood, that love, that connection makes so unique. Yeah, because guys, people love Jamaica. Yeah, Jamaica is a land we all love. Yeah, it's a land we all love. It's a land guys we all don't want to go. Many people guys they want to go to Jamaica. They want to see new things in Jamaica. Yes, that's it. Yeah. So guys, welcome what we say guys. Here guys, I do got positive stories about Jamaica, Caribbean, black stories, black Americans, American generally. Guys, we love such content here. With a positive energy, no negative, no hate speech, no negative, no personal attack, just a positive story, positive vibe. Like this, you guys subscribe. That's what guys, my channel guys got demonetized last time. But guys, we will not give up. We continue pushing guys. So guys, I need the support. Watch my videos, comment my videos, subscribe to my channel, like my videos. Thanks so much guys. Always guys, expect here positive things, positive vibe, no negative, no energy. So guys, let's focus. Thanks so much guys.